So in this video, I will show you that how you can extract IP address and that you list of unique IP address from a log file. So I had downloaded a sample log file from the internet which has IP addresses. Let me show you that this is the file that I have and it has IP addresses in it. You can see, and my job is, suppose the manager gives you a task to extract all the IP addresses, or you want to do some IP level blocking, that I have to block these IP addresses, then you need those unique IP addresses to block. So this is the content of the file. Let me go to the top, clean it. I got the content, and I will say that I need those IP addresses. To do that, first I have to do a pattern matching over those lines. So I will say pattern, and I will just write the pattern. I will say D and dot integer dot an integer. So an IP address is a pattern of uh, an integer dot an integer and dot and like that. And in the regex, the dot has a special meaning, so we will have to escape it. Let me show you without escaping it what happens. Before that, I have to say that the integer part in a IP address can range from one single digit to triple digit. So I have to mention that this can be either one. It can be either one, two, three. Number of digits can be one, two, three. Let me do the search without escaping the dot. Found pattern. Okay. You can see that because of the dot and that dot, we are also matching this white space. We are matching the column. So these are not the IP addresses that we want. These are the time and date, but still we are getting those matches. Let us start. Let us fix that by escaping that dot. So now we have lines which has IP addresses in it. Our next task, next sequence of tasks is to extract these IP addresses. So I will say this is our IP addresses, and I will pipe it to select object, and in the select objects I will say property at that, because this is a custom property, so we will have to provide a hash map for that with the name, with the label, what should be displayed at the top of the header, what should be the header of this value addresses. And I will say expression that will be get executed for this custom property. It is the ps item dot matches, because the select string returns a, if we are not using a raw switch parameter, then returns a match info instance of match info class. So ps item matches, and from this matching we need a group, and from this group we need first group, no, second group, because first group is going to be the entire line, and second group is going to a matching group, I need value from that group, say value. But the thing is here, over here we have undone one thing, that we need to put this in a parenthesis to signify that this is a group. So there's some mistake somewhere. Okay, so this is the hash map, so this needs to be separated with a semicolon. So once I hit enter, I got the list of all the uh, IP addresses, and we can see that many of them are duplicates. Many of them are duplicates, and let me see how many they are. There are 1245 of total IP addresses, but we need the unique one. So I will say give me the unique only. And these are the unique IP addresses that we have. So how many unique addresses, IP addresses are there? Let me count that. So it got reduced from 1200 to 68. So there are total on unique IP addresses are 68 only. So this is we have extracted unique IP addresses and displayed it, but we want to write in a file. So I will say out file path u, unique IPs or addresses.txt, and I can say unique IP addresses.txt, and this will give me all the IP addresses that we have or that we extracted from this log file. So you now you know that how you can extract IP address from a log file. See you in the next video and thank you for watching.